Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from SARCO Inc. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. SARCO Inc. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. The manifest here, so you can see the spelling. SARCO Inc. And this is wrapped. I see a little band there. Second band, and then some sort of flattened bubble wrap. Made in India. Interesting. I believe this is an M76 grenade launcher for M14. So some sort of Indian manufacturer. So I'm expecting high quality. You can see there cylindrical design, spigot, gradiated rings. Looks like we have some sort of grease material. We can wipe that off. This is your locking mechanism onto your front there. And I believe, again, this is for M14. So this would actually slip over your muzzle, a tension clip for the base of your grenade that would face this way. This end would mount to the muzzle end of your M14. So again, Indian copy, made in India. M76 grenade launcher for M14. Set that aside for now. Let's see, let's try to go for this next. Another stapled bag. So what this is, you may recognize it, is an Enfield #1 Mark III cup type grenade discharger. So you can see here is the cup where your grenade would be placed in here, facing that way. This would attach to the very end of the Mark III, and this is actually what will clip into the sides. If you know the front end of a Mark III, two recessed areas, these would clip into those recessed areas. There's quite a bit of weight to this, I'll tell you right now. And you can see the pass-through point for gas from your blank round to give you the propellant force to force your grenade out of this discharger. So again, Enfield #1 Mark III, a cup type grenade discharger. I don't know if you noticed the markings on here, your gradiated rings, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, let's open this bag next. Looks like they knotted it shut. I'm already getting a nice surplus, funky aroma from it. This is supposed to be, I'm not quite familiar with this item. This is an Indochina War era 60mm mortar vest. So this is actually an item you wear over your chest and down your back as well, because you can see here your neck point, and then this flap would rest on one side forward and the other side facing backwards, depending on how this is actually fastened. This looks like it's twisted around itself a few times. So I'm going to very gently rotate this around, trying to see. Okay, it does appear that these are the inner sides. So quickly you can just see the stitching. So let's take a look at one of these sides. You can see how it's a multi-cell pouch. These are where your mortar rounds would rest. And then your flap. You can see type of buckles here. Not, well, they are magnetic. Interesting. Shoulder straps, again with these magnetic buckles. So you have 2 straps on each side, on each shoulder here. This one is loose, not attached, but we do have all the attachment points, so that's good. Everything there, 2 and 2. 2 and 2. So what's interesting is the way that these attach. You can see here it's a 2-part system. So this would thread through and interlock through these wider points here, like the way these are. Likewise, the other side, same thing. Looks like we can also see here the drainage grommets. And this side is probably your front. You can see here various, I guess what will be termed admin pouches today. You can see this here and this here. And then these 2 on the sides. So very neat. And we have some numbering and lettering. So again, Indochina War era 60mm mortar vest. Very interesting. Leave that flap open for now. Okay, last up is a wrapped item. This appears to be too new to be original, but it is inert. And this is an M31 Inert rocket. Very nice. So you got your right profile, your wings there on the tail fins. You can see how they're attached, the various different diameters, your end point where a fuse, impact fuse would be, your main charge area, your propellant area. So it would go in this direction, and whatever drive it would be up this way. So a quick look at that. Interesting. So working our way backwards, M31 Inert rocket, Indochina War era 60mm mortar vest, and then we had Enfield #1 Mark III cup type grenade discharger, and we had started with a made in India M76 grenade launcher for M14. These all came from SARCO Inc. Feel free to check them out. Very large variety of items. SARCO Inc. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos and more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.